Got my strawberry strudel. Got the flavor explosion in the middle. I saved the middle for the end, the best part. I ate the edges first. I only had the glazed taste. Now I saved the middle. Flavor explosion. Yeah. Watch. Good? Is that good? Yeah, that's good, huh? You gotta double lick the fork. Triple lick the fork so you don't leave nothing on it. And then you go back in. Just like that. Like that, you do the, everybody likes ramen. You could take a bit, hit the chin. Beautiful. Good. It's really good. It's good stuff. Yeah.
Why don't you one bite that? The rest.
Here we go.
No.
Okay. Come on, I'm gonna mess it up. Look at that, huh? Huh?
Oh yeah.
All gone. And we do a fork scan. Who told you rope?
Stop it.